In this video, I will share with you step by step how to cancel Beautiful AI subscription. So let's get started. First, if you want to cancel your Beautiful AI subscription, follow me in these steps. Go to your profile icon in Beautiful AI, go to subscription. When you go to this subscription, as you can see here, you will see this page. When you go to the subscription or billing, click this billing option, and then when the billing option, click manage the plan, and then from the manage plan, click cancel a trial, and then select the cancel. As you can see here, my subscription on Beautiful AI in this case was a successful cancelled in this case. I hope this guide helpful basically for you. Don't forget give like and share this video. Just go to your subscription from here, and then if you have any subscription, you can manage just like this, and then click cancel. If you have any problem, you can submit a request. From the request, write your subscription here, choose any subscription that you have, and then click submit. Write your description here.